Hi Giles, hi Matthew, my name is James Cracknell, and a lifetime ago it seems I rode across the Atlantic, although actually if you'd asked for my advice I'd have said go South Atlantic, around the equator, not North Atlantic like you boys are doing, but you threw halfway, amazing work. So third quarter coming up now, this is the tough bit. If I can give any advice that is of any use to you, I would break it down to 50-mile chunks. Just tick each one off, and by the time you've gone through a few of those, you'll be starting to inch towards getting home. Otherwise, look after each other, be there for each other. You'll know how to motivate each other well by now. Remember the cause that you're doing it for, and look forward to seeing that land appear over the horizon and the welcome you're going to get when you get there. Good work, lads. Take care of each other.
This is a message for James Cracknell. James, it's Giles here. Thank you very much for your message of support. We're currently bashing out into a headwind, not making very many knots, just looking about 0.7 of a knot. But thank you, we really appreciate it. Bye.